Hello, in front of me I have Garett Women Nicole smartband, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this smartband from the iPhone. First, let's open the JU Pro application on the iPhone that is paired with our smartband. In the application, let's tap on the device icon, and here you should see the device page for your smartband. It should be called E99-920D. Now, tap on the Disconnect the Device button, tap on OK, and then tap on OK. This should redirect you to Settings. Now tap on Bluetooth, find your E99-920D device, tap on the info icon next to it, then tap on Forget this device, and tap on Forget device to disconnect the smartband from your iPhone. And now we can close the settings, and the smartband should be unpaired from your iPhone. You can also wake up the screen on your smartband, and in the top right corner you should see this icon, the brackets, and if there's nothing in the brackets, it's empty. This means that the smartband is disconnected from a phone. Okay, and that's how you unpair this smartband from an iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.